Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how we should be trading euro dollar right now. Let's jump straight into this. Baby, so let's jump into this chart, see what's going on, the nitty gritties and all the juice that we're seeing, because euro dollar's absolutely rocketing. Whoa, really shooting to the north, a strong advance for the euro versus the dollar. So let's break this down top down. All right, chart. As you can see here on the monthly, right, we've had at present, running two back-to-back months in the green. December is still pretty early at the moment, guys. How on earth are we in December, by the way? Please, someone tell me, because soon enough it's going to be 2021, and where's 2020 gone? It's really strange, just flying through time. Anyway, so euro dollar, as you can see here in the monthly, right, we had this period of consolidation from August right up until November, right? After all of this pumping, which I'm going to explain again, from May, big performance May, June, huge there in July, August, and then we just pull back for sort of September, October, just consolidating. And the dips, as you see, have been bought, and we've extended to the upside out of this consolidation pattern, this flag structure. So right now on the monthly, it looks really, really bullish. Remember here, just so you know, this is a trend line sort of running since 2016, supporting the price. This bounce here was really as we started to see lockdown measures eased right across the Eurozone, across other parts of the globe. So everyone was like, okay, panic over from scattering to the dollar. We're seeing improving data as well. Data started to improve in the form of manufacturing, PMIs, so on and so forth, as everyone was getting back going. Economy was, we were seeing some output again. So that's why we were trending to the upside here, euro dollar. That's the real fundamental tone driving that. Now, if we just quickly go on the weekly chart here, okay, really nice and clear to see this flag structure, which we broke out of and retested, which has made way further upside. Guys, I mentioned this in an Instagram Reels and on TikTok. You can see here, that video there, I noted that about euro dollar in the history repeats itself. And remember, you see all this consolidation here. Baby, as I said in that video, our biggest cheat code is history. Look at left here. Look at this price action, August to October. Very similar price action, reminiscent before we broke out and extended to the upside. And then I mentioned this as well, back in 1994 when I was just 3 years old, similar sort of consolidation, ahead of that extended moves to the upside. Now I can really, really see euro continue to fly. Now, even if we just do something simple here, I've just adjusted my chart a little bit, bear with me. There we go. Even if we do something simple here, something that works well really for me is measuring the pole of this flag structure. Now, going in between these sort of two acting trend lines, we should see the equivalent on the breakout. And that's why I've got all these key levels marked up, and I'll be seeing potentially upside of 129. Now, what confidently I can say at the moment is dips will continue to be bought. I'm going to go into everything fundamentally in the morning, in a moment, and we're gonna check that out. But here on a daily, just as I record this is on Wednesday, guys. We had a nice breakout. We caught some nice pips here after this sort of breakout into 120, and then the retest of this key level, which was formerly a top there. You see around this 119, 20, 30 region. We saw this breakout. We called this to our members for that watching that retest for those buyers to come back into play, guys. All that real-time analysis, fundamentally and technically, please check out freakforextrading.com. That's freakforextrading.com. You can see below, we're putting out value every single day. So please, more people to know about that. So further upside still being eyed here for euro dollar. As you can see from the structure, we're just buying on these dips, right? And it's just about getting that, finding those key levels, looking left and really breaking that down. Now, guys, I know a lot of you, for some reason, don't see the power, of fundamentals, or you get bored. But let me make it really sexy. Let's jump straight into this over there. Woo! Quick fundamental points relating to euro dollar then. Guys, just as a quick reminder, actually, firstly, I did a blog on this. You can check here. Yep. We said further upside here for euro dollar. But anyway, jump straight into this. Eurozone economy taking early action, right? They went into lockdown to try and stop the spread of COVID-19 and those cases spiking through the roof. So taking early action, which is good. So in theory, they are winning the race in comparison to the US has remained open pretty much so across, the United States, which is not good, as we've seen cases, as you can see, continue to spike aggressively higher. So as I say, in terms of global economic growth, Eurozone are winning that race and the US are behind. So with that being said, we're going to have to expect more action to come from the United States, the central bank, who are the FOMC. So they're going to have to keep pumping, absolutely flooding the market with loads of dollars, diluting the currency. So of course the value is going to come down and euro is going to continue to have that advantage. And then on top of all of that, we've got the general risk appetite in the markets. Market sentiment is good, it's buoyant, because we're happy about this vaccine that's coming out, vaccine optimism, strong global economic growth prospects. So we don't need the dollar as a safe haven. So the dollar loses advantage, euro has more room to squeeze to the upside. Now, quick risk event, just so you know, in the coming week, we have the ECB, the European Central Bank, their rate decision. They're actually expected to take action. It's pretty much priced into the market. So any pullbacks that we see, again, markets are likely to hunt those dips and buy. And the bulls, I'm sure, will look to come out on top of that. Guys, in terms of fundamental and daily technical analysis, all of that, we do it at freakforextrading.com. Do not hesitate to check us out. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Or you can check out our courses to think the way we do and analyze the way we do to remain consistent and become an all-rounded trader. Please do smash up that subscribe button, hit the like button, the lit button. Stay lit, let's get it.